Okay, let's jump in. If you've ever had to commission a professional AV rack, you know that feeling, right?
Oh, yeah.
That moment of just sheer frustration staring at a complete rat's nest of power bricks.
Mm-hmm. The wall warts?
Exactly, the wall warts. Those bulky, unreliable power supplies dangling off every single device. So, our deep dive today is all about the fix. The tvONE 1RK-SPDR-HALF-7 multi-voltage PSU half rack.
It's such an elegant solution to, well, a chaos problem, really.
It is. Our mission here is to figure out how this piece of gear gives you a strategic shortcut to, power system sanity.
Yeah, and the sources we looked at, they have a great line for it. They call it a high-end universal translator for electricity, which is
It's
perfect.
universal translator. I like that. So does that mean it's mainly about eliminating noise issues, or is it the single points of failure that always plague these mixed voltage systems?
It's really both, but the biggest risk it solves is reliability.
Okay.
Think about it. It eliminates ground loops, heat buildup, and most importantly, transient voltage issues. Every time you plug in a cheap wall wart, you're basically introducing a potential failure point.
Right. Little voltage fluctuation.
Exactly. This unit it optimizes the whole rack by providing one central regulated DC power source. You can mix and match brands without a worry.
Let's talk about the technical side, because that's where the versatility really comes through. It has 7 module slots.
Right. And it ships with 3 to get you started.
And the range of voltages it supports, that's the core benefit. We're not just talking about your standard 12-volt gear.
No, not at all.
It covers the whole spectrum. You've got, 5V, 7.5V, then 9V, 12V, 13.5V,
Yeah.
all the way up to 18V and 24V for the heavy-duty stuff.
That scope is what makes it a true system builder. It's universal.
And that universality has to be tied to safety.
Oh, absolutely. This isn't just about making things tidy. The system is UL compliant, which, as you know, is a must for any commercial installation.
Non-negotiable.
And it has built-in surge suppression and overload protection. When you're dealing with expensive, sensitive AV here, you need that solid protection against power spikes.
It's also just smart about space. Anyone who's tried to cram GU into a tight rack knows that vertical space, your rack units, are precious.
Every use space counts.
And our source material really highlights the zero space rear mounting. So this thing just tucks away on the back rail. It doesn't even take up primary real estate.
It's a brilliant design. And for anyone listening who's ready to, make the jump, the logistics are simple. The part number is 1RK-PDR-HALF-7.
And it seems pretty well positioned in the market, often ships the same day.
Yeah, it's built for immediate deployment.
And looking at their whole strategy, it's clear this isn't just a one-off solution for them. They have other options depending on your needs.
Right. They scale it.
Yeah, you see things like the multi-voltage PSU strip for, say, bigger deployments, or the 1RK dual redundant hot swappable PSU.
Which tells you they're serious about mission-critical applications.
Yeah.
Maximum uptime.
So if we connect all the dots here, the shift is pretty fundamental. You're moving away from that chaotic, reactive
Outlet hunting.
Yeah. And you're moving to a proactive, organized, and just plain safer centralized system.
That's the big picture.
So the takeaway for you listening is clear. This device is a strategic asset. It turns a collection of individual power weaknesses into one single robust system.
And that actually brings up a final thought, something for you to consider.
Okay.
Beyond just electricity, what other areas in your work or even your life could be simplified, made more reliable? By finding all those little wall warts, all those diverse minor components, and consolidating them into one universal regulated hub.
That's a great question.
Thinking strategically about that kind of consolidation, it's often the quickest path to real stability.